situation. I really want Copilot to proactively pull information together for me each time before a customer meeting. Now, with Copilot Actions, I can automate these everyday tasks like this one that I just mentioned with a simple fill-in-the-blanks prompts that then I can just prompts that I can set and forget. So here I am now in Copilot Actions. There's all these nice templates that are available to me. I'm going to browse the templates and choose a template that aligns most to what I'm looking for here. Basically, I want to look across all of my communications. So my emails, my Teams chats, my meetings. I want it to be specific to Boulder Innovations. And I want to look over the past month because I haven't met with them in a month. And then I want this information to be notified to me in my email. That's where I go to check my information most commonly. And I want to get it on a monthly basis because I meet with Boulder Innovations once a month. I hit create, I get a summary of my Copilot